This news is sponsored by Hira Banquet Hall, fully air conditioner at Sayyid Ali Chabutra near Shahghaus Hotel.
आदाब मोअज़्ज़िज़ नाज़रीन, आप तमाम का A18 तेलंगाना न्यूज़ में खैर मक़दम है। AIMIM के फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने प्राइवेट स्कूलों में ज़्यादा फ़ीसों का मसला उठाया और वज़ीर तालीम से दरख्वास्त की कि वो ट्रांसफ़र सर्टिफिकेट ना मांगे, जब तुलबा ख़ानदानों की माली हालत की वजह से प्राइवेट से सरकारी स्कूलों में दाखिल हो रहे हैं। प्राइवेट स्कूल इनसे TC सर्टिफिकेट हासिल करने के लिए वाजिबात की अदायगी को कह रहे हैं। पेश है A18 तेलंगाना न्यूज़ से ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट। मज़ीद ताज़ा व अहम तरीन खबरों से बाखबर रहने के लिए चैनल को YouTube पर ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें।
COVID, many people have lost their livelihoods, and because of various other reasons, the economic condition have really come down, and the poor parents were forced to take their students out from the private schools and get them enrolled or get them admitted in the government schools. Sir, when there is one issue which needs to be addressed, sir, what is happening, like I'm giving an example, one child was studying in a private school, and because of the economic distress and economic slowdown and loss of job, the parent of that student was forced to get the student admitted in government school. And when that student is going for an admission in government school or any residential school, there they are asking and demanding for a TC, and the private schools are not giving the TC, saying that first you clear the fees is due, then we will give you the TC. So what is happening is that, sir, in this, it is like we are forcing a child to drop out from studies. This is a very important issue, and I hope that the Ministry of Education will make a note and Honorable Minister will intervene and give clear instructions to all the private schools that if any student wants to discontinue from any private school and taking an admission in government school or residential schools, no TC should be asked. They should directly be admitted in government school without a TC. This is a very important issue which I am bringing to your notice, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, according to a government survey, as many as 9,997 additional classrooms are required. 8,725 schools have to be provided with compound wall. 9,000 schools need latrine and so on. Sir, now again my question is, when we have prepared this requirement, have we taken into consideration the increased number of enrollment which has come in the government school, or these figures are the old strength of the students? This needs to be clarified when Honorable Minister is going to give me a reply, sir. Sir, at the same time, I welcome the announcement made by the Chief Minister Janab KCR Saab in the Assembly on recruitment to be taken up in the State Government Department.